So we've just got the smoke box parts to finish off on this loco, apart from putting the cab on. And this is the stage with the chimney, its base, the base plate that goes inside, and the nut. But before we do that, we'll put the insulation in. Now, I've cut this round so that it's shaped to go inside the smoke box. This is the insulation with a little stainless plate to hold it in place, and it all tucks inside like so. I'll just squeak it in. Right, second go at trying to get the insulation in the smoke box. It's a little bit better this time. There we are, that's looking good. And now we'll fit the chimney. First of all, we need the base through the smoke box. There's a plate goes underneath, and then the nut goes under the plate. And then just screwing the chimney so the nut goes tight. And I've got a really nice big spanner. No, that's not working either. Nearly got it. We'll do it up finger tight and then we'll finish it off. So the smoke box door has still got to go on, but before that we need the exhaust. So this is the exhaust pipe. It's got a little hole in the top which allows the steam out sideways so all the oil and condensate doesn't go all over the engine when you're running it. And it goes down through the chimney and into the port on the underneath. Let's see if that's screwing in properly. And give him a final tweak with a pair of pliers. So I've just got to finish off by fitting the door with its little screws and fitting the pilot and drag beam. I've got to take this stretcher off first so I can get to that grub screw underneath when I fit the door. I've finished the smoke box, got the door, which just opens and closes on its little magnet, lined up the exhaust pipe in the top of the chimney there, put on the pilot and the drag beam. So now we're really nearly there. There's just the cab to go. Here's the cab assembly, but I'm going to put the little maker's plate inside the cab before I fit it. This is on a bit of double-sided tape, so it should just stick straight on. And you could put it somewhere else if you wanted, but I like it inside the cab so the driver can see it as he's going along. So the cab itself should just slip on. It's a little bit of a tight fit here and there. Got to go over the boiler and tuck in on the foot plate, and then there's screws to go in the bottom of the foot plate, and there's also some screws to go in the front of the tank. And in order to get to those, I'm going to take the top off the lubricator. Ooh, there she goes. And just hope I don't drop the screw down into the lubricator. There's the top. So our ruby is now done. We've just got time for a quick look round all the various bits and pieces. So that's the smoke box door open, and you can see the flue tube in there and the exhaust. When we've got the burner alight, we'll look down there to set the gas air mixture. And round the back we can lift the cab roof, and we've got the filler for water, filler for the lubricator over the back there, filler for the butane, that's the control for the gas to go into the burner down there. Once we've got pressure up, that's the regulator for setting the speed of the loco. So this is the little collar for setting the gas to air mixture. And once it's set, we can lock it with the little screw on the top there. And then we've also got a reversing lever, a mid-gear and forward. So next comes a test steam up.